Hey there, friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of business models and exploring how they can lead to growth. So, let's get started. When it comes to scaling a business, there are two crucial factors: your product and your customers. Now, if you have a product that's a hit with your customers, you're in a great position. But remember, not every product will have a wide customer base from the get-go. So, what should you do? The key is to find new products that align with your existing customer base. This way, you can maintain that critical connection with your customers while also expanding your product range. You might be surprised at how quickly this can lead to additional revenue and increased profits. On the flip side, if you have products that are doing well but aren't appealing to the right customers, or are falling short in terms of quality or pricing, it's time to make some changes. This could mean going back to the drawing board and rethinking your strategy for delivering products or services that truly resonate with your audience. In summary, focusing on both your product and customer base is essential for growing your business. By striking the right balance between these two areas, you can watch your business soar and reach new heights of success. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this advice is helpful for all you aspiring entrepreneurs out there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this one. Until next time, take care and happy growing.